Welcome everyone, special welcome to my subscribers. Thanks for checking back in. To you new viewers, you should become subscribers too. Today we're continuing on some of the Irish flair and doing a traditional Irish side dish called Colcannon. And Colcannon, really all it is mashed potatoes with a cabbage in it. Sometimes you'll get Americanized mixes on that of kale in there and stuff like that to kind of ump it a little bit. So jumping right in. This is going to be a slow cooker Colcannon. This is 3 pounds of Yukon Gold, and they're just skinned and sliced. You want to slice them so that they cook evenly. And then this is 1 head of green cabbage, and I've shredded that up. Personally, in my mashed potatoes, I don't like sliced cabbage, but you are certainly welcome to just do a slice instead of a rough chop. And then lastly, to give it a little extra flavor, this is 1 bunch of scallions or green onions, whichever way you want to call it, and I kind of chop those up pretty thin, not as much as the cabbage. All right, so then this is just like making mashed potatoes. You got to boil them. So this is just plain old water, and it's just enough to cover. What's about there? That was about 6 cups of water. All right, so we're gonna cook this on low for 8 hours. When we come back, we'll turn this into mashed potatoes. And remember, I said we're boiling this, so when you look at this, you're not gonna be too shocked to see a whole bunch of water. I gotta drain this out, so I'm just gonna pour this into a colander and drain it out, and then we'll come back and start mashing and getting this into mashed potato mode. All right, our raw Colcannon, if you will, because it hasn't been mashed, has been strained, and this is 2 sticks of butter. This happens to be Irish butter, but you can use whatever kind you want. Now, you get 2 options. You can use a potato masher, or you can use an immersion blender. 1 cup of milk to give us something to work with. This is whole milk. You are also welcome to use cream, if you so choose, if you like your potatoes a little creamier. So this is, well, not even probably a teaspoon of sea salt. Sea salt would be more authentic to Ireland, since most of the stuff they got was out of the ocean. Get this out of my way. And we're just going to blend this down till I feel it's good. If you like it smooth, go harder. If you don't, just go a little softer. But you can see that they're good and tender, and they're mashing up just fine. So I'll mash this up and I'll come back and check it out. You can see that I have done a really solid job on mashing this down. I like mine a little bit runnier than most. So, you know, if you don't like that runny, that's fine. Don't put so much milk in, and don't use an immersion blender. I did add a little more salt and pepper. And I did leave some chunks in there so that it is pretty evident that it is homemade. That's all there is to it. It has butter in it, so I wouldn't recommend adding any more. It's going to be plenty good like that. And I typically, you would serve this, if you were in Ireland, you'd serve it with a bacon or something like that, something pig related. And here in the States, I've seen it served with cooked ham. Actually, some people will actually chop up the ham and put it right into the Colcannon. So, you know the drill. Give it a shot. Let me know what alterations you make, if any. And let me know how it turns out. Otherwise, subscribe, share, like, comments down below. Check back for the next video, and please, take care. Peace.